Hi all, so I'm again here with an interesting topic, that is how will I explicitly open a file in RPG program in AS400. So as we all know that whenever we declare a file in fspecs in RPG program, then at the time of program initialization it gets opened, all the file gets opened, but there is a way to explicitly open a file. I do not want to open a file during the initialization of a program. So I just want that my file gets open whenever I want, and whenever I want it, I will close that. So let's see how we can do that. So we have a keyword user open which actually allow this file to be open to be not opened at the time of initialization, program initialization, and then we can open this file at any time during the program processing using the open built-in function, and we can close this file using the close built-in function. So as you can see, I declared this file in fspecs and I use user open keyword with this, and I defined this file in the update mode, and this file must be fully procedural file. If in case it's primary file, I won't be able to use this keyword. If it's a secondary file, I won't be able to use this. So the file has to be a fully procedural file, because in case of primary and secondary files, these files gets readed automatically. We don't need to read them using the read opcode or all. So the file has to be fully procedural. Now we'll first check if the file is open or not. If it's not open, then only we will open this file, and at the last you can say, if we will be checking if it's open, then only we'll be closing this file. So at the start it will get open, and at the last it will get closed, and before that, in between that, we will be doing the processing over that file. So once I open this file, I would be reading this file using this. Since this file is not having any key, that's why we are not seeing k here, and we are reading this file using the RRN. So I am setting the low value at the first RRN, and we will start reading the file from the first RRN. So we will be reading all the records of the file one by one using the RRN. So and then I am updating the roll number to 7. So all the records in a file would get updated with roll number 7, and updating the record format of that file. So this way I can achieve explicitly open of a file in RPG program. Let's compile this. Program gets compiled successfully. Let's debug this. Let me set the breakpoint, then call this program. So it will first check if this file is open or not. So this file is not open. Now it will come in if section, inside if, and it will open this file. Now this file gets opened, and if you want to see, shift escape 3, we can see the open files. CLPF1 is now open. Then we will be reading the file one by one. Just check, run query *n CLPF1. So it has two records having roll number 2 and 3, and both will get updated to 7. Now if I look at it again, I will see roll numbers gets updated in file. Now if this is open, yes, this file is open. So now this close of built-in function will close this file. Let's see. work job, let's say, and open files. So we can see now CLPF1 is not open anymore, and then return from the program. So we saw the demo that how we can explicitly open a file in RPG program in AS400. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.